To solve this problem, we want to find the volume of this cylinder first. So we know that the volume of a cylinder is going to be pi r squared times height. In this case, the volume of cylinder 1 is going to be pi r squared times 10 because we know the height is going to be 10. Okay, and next we want to find the volume of the cylinder 2. We know that the radius of cylinder 2 is twice the radius of cylinder 1. That's going to be equal to pi r squared, pi 2r squared times the height, which is h. We can now simplify this out. So pi r squared times 10 is equal to pi times 4 r squared times h, divide both sides by r squared, divide both sides by pi, we get 10 is equal to 4h. Now we can divide both sides by 4, and we get 2.5 is equal to h.